Hi, in this video we're going to go over a simple overview of how to use the cross-listing feature with ivyflip. The first thing you're going to want to do is get signed into your account. Go to ivyflip.com and click sign in the top right corner. Follow the on-screen directions to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click account in the top right corner and then click cross-listing. This will bring you to the cross-listing section on ivyflip. If you click on Cross-Listing FAQ, you'll see simple instructions on how to use it. Mainly, you're going to want to make sure that you're signed into Facebook, OfferUp, and Craigslist. So make sure you're signed in on your computer. You can see here we're signed in on all three platforms. And just a quick note, you can also use the ivyflip cross-listing for Shopify, so we're signed into there as well. Now, you don't need to keep these tabs open, but you do need to be signed in on your browser. Now, the next thing that we're going to make sure is that we have the ivyflip cross-listing Google Chrome extension downloaded. So there's a link here on the ivyflip FAQ. If you click on that, it'll take you to the Google Chrome extension store and you can download the extension. Then we can go to step 3 and click activate, and that will link your Google Chrome ivyflip cross-listing tool to your browser and you'll be good to go. So we can go back to the cross-listing section in ivyflip, and now we can actually make a post. So we have a post that's pre-made here. We're just going to open it up and we're going to go into the editing section. So you can add a title, whatever you want. You can choose the category, you can choose the description, the price, etc. Once you have everything set, scroll down to the bottom and click update. Now we can go back to the publishing side and we can choose what marketplaces we want to post it to. So for example, if you don't want to post it to Craigslist or you don't want to post it to Shopify, you can only choose Facebook or OfferUp. In this example, we're going to choose everything. Now we just click publish and the cross-listing tool is going to work its magic. So basically what's going to happen is the tool is literally going to take control of your computer and go on all three of the marketplaces and make the posts for you. So at this point, you can just sit back and relax, watch the magic happen, and it will make the posts on Facebook, OfferUp, Craigslist, and Shopify if you chose all those marketplaces. All right, now we're back on ivyflip.com, and as you can see, we have posted it on all the marketplaces. You can go on each link to check them out. So we'll just show an example here on Facebook. You can see that it is posted. And then if we go to OfferUp, you can see it. And it is also on Craigslist. And here it is on our Shopify store.